If you've got car insurance with GIO and you need to make a claim, it's worth knowing what kind of excess you'll need to pay. In some situations, you may not have to pay any at all. Here's how it works. Today, you'll learn when you need to pay an excess and which type, situations where you don't have to pay an excess, how to change your excess amount, voluntary excess. When will you need to pay an excess? You will need to pay an excess if you've made a claim due to theft or attempted theft of your car, storm, hail, flood or fire damage, malicious acts or vandalism, damage to your car caused by an unidentified person, collision with or by an animal, windscreen or window glass damage, any accident where the driver of your car caused or contributed to the damage, sometimes an age or inexperienced driver excess or driver history excess may also apply to the standard excess. There are some instances where you won't need to pay an excess. If you can show that the other driver was entirely at fault, the driver of your car didn't contribute to the accident, and you can give us the name, address and vehicle registration number of the other driver, you won't pay an excess. Remember, getting these details is really important. If the driver of your car was not at fault, but you can't give us the name, address and registration of the other driver, you will still need to pay an excess. Can you adjust your excess amount? When you get a quote for platinum or comprehensive car insurance with GIO, you can choose from a range of options to increase your excess and reduce your premium, or vice versa. To get a quote, follow the link in the description. So now you know when you'll need to pay an excess on your car insurance, the situations where you don't need to pay an excess, how to adjust your excess when getting a quote with GIO. If you want to check the details of which excesses apply to your policy, check your Certificate of Insurance or PDS for more information.